Here we're going to take the reciprocals of the following numbers and equations. So to take the reciprocal of 4 over 5, all we do is flip the number. So this 4 cancels that 4, this 5 cancels that 5, we have 1. So here, what's another way to write 3? That'll just be 3 over 1. And same thing, now we're going to flip it. This becomes 1 over 3. This 3 cancels that 3. So, and the 1's kind of just stay there, so we're just left with 1. Now for a function like this, same process, we flip it. This x plus 1 cancels this x plus 1, and this x cancels that x, which gives us 1. So for negative numbers, we want to include the negative, and then same thing, flip the number, because a negative times a negative gives us a positive. This 4 will cancel that 4, this 7 will cancel that 7, we're left with 1. Square root of 2, we'll write that as square root of 2 over 1, and same process, we flip it. So the square roots of 2 will cancel each other, and we're just left with 1. So for x squared plus 1, x squared minus 1, we'll put the 1 underneath, and we'll just do what we've been doing so far. We'll flip it. X squared minus 1 on top cancels the x squared minus 1 on bottom, and we're just left with 1. So the purpose of reciprocals is to cancel or to remove things. So think of 2x equals 4. Well, to get rid of this 2, we divide both sides by 2, which will, over here will just give us x equals 2. But another way to think of this is reciprocal. Well, this is just 1, so we're going to take this as 1 over 2. And we've got to do the same thing over here. This will be 1 over 2. The 2's cancel, so we're left with x. And 4 divided by 2 is 2. What about for the square root of x equals 4? Well, no way to write this is x to the 1/2 equals 4. So how do we cancel the square root or x to the 1/2? We take the reciprocal, and we have to do it to both sides. So you're just left with x equals 1. Another way to write this is just 4 squared, because the 1 is invisible, and this will just become x equals 16.